To make cheesiest pancake, take flour, egg, add water, mix it, add black pepper, carrot, capsicum, onions, green onions, cook it, topping with cheese, and enjoy. Must try it home. To make homemade coconut sweets, add oil, desiccated coconut, dry milk, 1 cup sugar, milk, crushed cardamom, any food color of your choice. Give it a very good mix and cook until it converts into dough. Then give it a shape and it's ready. How to make bottle gourd in a traditional way. Add helado onions, fry it, then add garlic, tomatoes, chili flakes, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Add bottle gourd, cook for 40 minutes, and is ready. For aloo paratha, boil potatoes, add onions, green chilies, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cook it, then prepare paratha dough. Fill the dough with stuff and fry it. Enjoy your paratha.